All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at Kaspa. Second last day of the month, you guys know things are starting to heat up, especially before the spooky season. And if you guys are familiar with the cryptocurrency markets, spooky season, aka October, is really known for a bullish month for the entire crypto space, whether it's a bear market or a bull market, and a lot of anticipation for a great month ahead of us, especially the entire quarter. And a lot of people are getting excited, and the market is reacting on a positive note. We saw Ethereum ETF getting approved. Things are looking great. But if we're looking at Kaspa, it's up 2% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, Kaspa is up 4.7%. Yes, we're not seeing Kaspa making those 20-30% moves right now, and I know a lot of people are getting tired of it, which shocks me, to be quite frank with you guys. I've mentioned that in my previous update. The amount of comments that are coming in recently talking about how Kaspa is not performing shocks me, literally shocks me, because people don't remember that Kaspa is the top gainer in the top 100 coins this year, up a staggering 16x. But let's take a look at what's happening, where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as of September 29th, you can see the price is currently sitting at 4.8 cents, up 2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $1 billion, which is great to see, the psychological market cap, and we're literally above that. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $8.7 million. So what exactly is next for the price, to be specific? Because of course everyone is talking about the price. Every single day people want to know, when is Kaspa going to hit a newer all-time high? So I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that. We're going to analyze the charts. As always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So going back to what I said, people always want to know when the next all-time high is. And if we're looking at its all-time high, this was just on the 20th, guys. Literally 1 week ago, we did see Kaspa make its way towards a newer all-time high at 5.4 cents. Yes, we've retraced a little bit at the previous all-time high, been pretty much trading sideways around that. If I show you the hourly time frame, you can see this for yourself. After, seeing a little bit of a retest, you guys will be able to understand better this way. We've pretty much been just trading sideways back and forth within this range. Did try to break out at that 4.8 cents mark, of course, being a resistance. It is playing out for us. So right now we do need to keep these factors in mind, but we're seeing something happening right now as we speak. Kaspa trying to push once again above that 4.9 cents mark. Maybe this possible weekend we could see a potential breakout depending on how the price of Bitcoin does. And of course, if Bitcoin reacts really positively on October 1st, that would be a great way, of course, to start off the month. And I think Kaspa could potentially hit a newer all-time high, because remember, Kaspa only needs a 15% move for it to hit a newer all-time high. And this goes back to what I've said. The people that are spamming the comment sections, that are going crazy on Twitter saying Kaspa is done, shocks me, because Kaspa is up right now. If you picked it up just this month alone, on September 5th at 3.3 cents, guess what? You're up 43% after a 15% retracement, which is totally normal. These retracements are completely normal. These happen. You're never going to expect the price to go up straight in one line, but the chart itself is one of the best charts in the crypto space, and we've been talking about that from the beginning. And the best part right now is the hype is building up. But what we're noticing now is, especially if I showed this to you guys on the weekly time frame, you can see we're used to seeing Kaspa being the top performer, being the hot coin that's being talked about the most week in, week out. But right now, we're not seeing it as the top gainer. Remember, on the monthly time frame, it's up 32%. So a little bit of a cool off is going to be needed. People are going to be looking at different opportunities. That's totally normal. You need to understand that. And the newcomers coming into this space, when they see some gains, and again, I understand, guys, I understand, I've been in your seat, and this is only for the newcomers. It might apply to you if you do think the same right now, but when the newcomers come in and they go through 1 or 2 runs, you see your first 100%, not 100x. If you see your first 100%, then you expect that is going to happen. Our brain tends to think, okay, you know what, this is normal. We've never seen this in the past. This is a great way to make money, and this is going to continuously happen. But let me tell you, don't listen to these other people that are saying Kaspa is going to 20 cents tomorrow or next week. Let me tell you, that is not happening. It's going to be a nice, slow, gradual increase towards the upside. I'm definitely betting on Kaspa being one of the top gainers, of course, being a layer 1, being talked about the most, being the hot coin of the year, and, not even being listed on all the tier 1 exchanges. Of course, it has everything that it needs and a massive community, because at the end of the day, community is massive. And also, one thing you guys might not realize is max supply is 28.7 million, and the circulation supply is pretty close. So it's not that we're going to be seeing future massive unlocks coming in, and that will be a really big driving force as well, in my opinion. So remember, bull market, as far as for the entire cryptocurrency market, the bull market is just starting for altcoins. Obviously, Bitcoin has been in a bull market. If you think Bitcoin has not been in a bull market, I'm sorry to say that is just crazy to think. Bitcoin has been in a bull market. Yes, altcoins are lagging, but I think altcoins' time is coming very near. Obviously, Bitcoin needs to be in the 61.8, but I think we could potentially be seeing us re-enter the 61.8 in the upcoming days. Historically speaking, as mentioned, October is a great month, but as far as Kaspa is concerned, Kaspa is looking great. So, to all the people that are saying Kaspa is crashing, Kaspa is not moving, guys, come on, knock it off. Come on, are you serious? Kaspa is up insane amounts, and I am projecting even in the month of October, potential 7 cents Kaspa could be on the table. Some people are saying 15 cents Kaspa before the end of the year. Of course, we're going to take it one step at a time. Of course, if one of the big tier 1 exchanges come and post this on their exchange, then that is potentially possible, but we will take it one step at a time. But that is it for today's update. Of course, let me know down below what you guys think, and if you guys have not subscribed to my new channel, guys, where I'm going to be focusing only on crypto news, what are you waiting for? Link in the description box below. Please do go subscribe, and let me know what you guys are doing right now, which coins you guys are picking up, and yeah, let me know your overall strategy. Of course, I want to know from you guys about that. But thank you so much for your continuous support. Like, literally, you guys been killing it with the support, so continue supporting, and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. But with that said, I will see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.